Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. Today we'll discuss a question from Google Cloud Architect practice exam on Mountkirk games. So far we have seen 4 videos on Mountkirk games and also we have discussed a question on Mountkirk games. So let's try to understand, let's try to answer this question to see whether our understanding is good or not. So the question is something like this. Mountkirk Games wants to set up a CI/CD process, continuous delivery pipeline. Their architecture includes many small microservices which they want to update and roll back whenever they want quickly. That's what they wanted to do. And the, the organization is also having requirements like the services are deployed redundantly across multiple regions in US and Europe. Only one front-end microservice is exposed to public internet. I guess that is the app which everybody will access it, and they can reserve a single front-end IP for their fleet of services, and deployment artifacts are immutable. So those are the requirements. And if you see, this is not at all mentioned in our case study details. The case study which we have discussed for almost a week now, this is not at all mentioned. This is totally a brand new requirement. So as how requirements changes with customer, the same case is here. Now you should play your cloud architect role here, where you need to decide whether the existing products and services which we have chosen will fit in, or you should bring in something new which was not discussed. So pause the video, look for the options, option A, B, C. Which one is that? Let me know what is the right answer. I'm going to pause the video now. Hope you have decided what could be the possible answer. So let's look into the options. The first option is Google Cloud Storage, Data Flow, and Compute Engine. So if you look, the requirement here is doing a continuous delivery pipeline. So not a data processing pipeline. So data flow could be really good when you want to do ETL processing, data flow processing, data processing pipeline, but it's not really good for continuous delivery. So uh, option A does not look much better here. So let's look into option B, Google Cloud Storage, App Engine, and load balancing. So we know App Engine does not require a load balancing. If you're working with Kubernetes engine or with managed instance group, then load balancing could be a good choice. But App Engine and load balancing may not go hand in hand. So again, and there's no, if you look into App Engine, you have the option of that versioning, different versions, and you can roll back easily. But this load balancing may not be choice there, so because of which it gets ruled out. Option B gets ruled out. Let's look into option C, GCR, Google Container Registry, where you store your image, container image, then deploy that into your Kubernetes engine and have a TCP load balancing. So could be an option, and it's very easy to roll back to previous versions in Kubernetes, very easy. And it also needs a uh, load balancing to expose it as a single IP. So a load balancer option is a good choice there. Option C looks like a possible option for me. Let's look into option D before locking it. Cloud functions, PubSub, deployment manager. I don't see anything which can suit here. Deployment manager could be for deployment purpose, but cloud functions and PubSub may not serve the purpose of doing the CI/CD process there. So between B and C are closer things, I would see. Between B and C, C looks like a better choice. Only reason because there's a load balancing here which does not go hand in hand with App Engine. So option C looks like a better choice. So let's click on that and verify whether we have the right answer. So if we see, option C is the right answer. So that's the information which I wanted to share with you. Hope the video was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on a specific GCP concept. I'm happy to do that. Thanks for watching.